bots start buying 738% up. Hello guys, today we're gonna make Solana coin and we're gonna add liquidity that everybody can buy our token. So I use this token aggregator. This is the best legit website that I use. I constantly use. I never use any other, only this. So we're gonna go to Google here and we're gonna type token aggregator and we're gonna press enter, and this is the one, tokenaggregator.io, and here it is. This is the logo and we have a lot of information here, and this is how to use Solana token creator. So this is very important things that have on the website, so I will come to this later. In order to create a Solana token, we need to have some crypto wallet. I use Phantom, it is the best one for me. I will add now Sol. Okay, now I add one Solana here because we will need 0.5 for creating, and here we need Revoke freeze authority and we need Revoke mint. This is 0.7, so but never mind, I put even more, like a one Solana here. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna connect our wallet. First we're gonna do this and we're gonna click the Phantom just to check everything is okay. Here I already prepared the name and the image for my token. I'm gonna put Yeti, if you know, big white creature. I'm gonna put, for example, Yeti meme, and here symbol is gonna be Yeti. For example, Bitcoin is called Bitcoin, but the symbol is BTC. So just to know, here the name you can put whatever you want, and your symbol also what you like. Decimal we're gonna put 9. Mostly of token it's 9. We can see here also meme token, and supply I'm gonna put 1 billion. I like to make coins with 1 billion. You can put 100 million, 1 million, whatever, but I will put 1 billion, so it's gonna be 9 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we're gonna go with mage. I already prepared Yeti, you can see here, and description you can put whatever you want, does not matter. I'm gonna put Yeti best meme token to the moon. Okay, this is very important. Here we have Revoke freezer authority and we have Revoke mint. So I will show you what that means. We will go to desk screener here, and just I want to show you what it is. We're gonna go to Solana and we're gonna go on some token, the first one, never mind. And if we go here, we have here mintable, no, this is all green, this is perfect. Like a freezable, no. So we cannot mint more, we cannot freeze the token, which is good for investor. We must have this all green. So this one, these two options, it's this one. So you cannot even turn off this on website, which is great, because if you don't have this, you cannot add liquidity. If you don't have the liquidity, no one can trade your token. So this is a must. Revoke freezer authority. On Raydium you cannot add liquidity. So Revoke mint also good, that we cannot mint because of investor or something. We're gonna click here and that's it. We connect our wallet and everything, and now pay attention to have enough 0.7 I think it's gonna be, and we're gonna click create token. Let's wait a little, and it's gonna open and it's gonna show 0.719 shows unknown, but this is the token we're gonna get in our wallet, 1 billion of token. Let's click confirm, and we're gonna wait a little bit until create and transaction confirm. So here in a wallet we're gonna check, need maybe several seconds, one time 1 minute, 2 minutes, depends, and we already have. So this is like less than 10 seconds we already have. So let's go here on our token. We have 1 billion of Yeti, and let's go to SolScan here to see. So more info, owner this is our wallet, we are the owner of the token and everything. So we mint, so we have now 1 billion of the token. Just to say here, this you can send to anyone, this token, to anyone. If you send here and put a Solana address, you can send to anyone, your friends, your family, wherever you want. You can send 1,000, 1 million, 100 million, or all 1 billion of the token. You already can send, no need to add liquidity, for example, to send. So I'm gonna show you fast now. For example, let's create a new account 2. So this is a new account, receive. We're gonna go copy the Solana address. We're gonna go to first account where we can Yeti. We're gonna send here and we're gonna paste this and we're gonna put like a 1 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're gonna click the next and we're gonna click send, and that's it. So let's check on this account. You see we already received 1 million of Yeti token. Okay, I will just back again here to have 1 billion. Okay, we have now again 1 billion Yeti token. Let's add liquidity. We're gonna go now to Raydium. We're gonna click here and we're gonna go here on this website. And here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect first. We're gonna just check. We're gonna connect our wallet, and we're gonna click the phantom, and that's it. We are now connected. Okay, now we're gonna go to liquidity here, and we're gonna click on create, and we're gonna click on standard. All the tokens are on standard. Continue, and here we're gonna add for our base token, we're gonna add our Yeti. So what we need to do now, we're gonna go to wallet and we're gonna go to Yeti and we're gonna go here on SolScan to take our address. So this is the token address here. We're gonna click and we're gonna paste here. And now this is totally normal for Raydium. So we must put our symbol. It was Yeti, and the name Yeti meme. Okay, add user, click here, and that's it. Here we need for the base token to change to Solana, and that's it. So pay attention that you have enough in your wallet. So here you must pay 0.2 Solana for creating the pool, plus this how much you put. So if you put 10 Solana, you must have 10 Solana plus this 0.2 Solana. This price it's 0.0000 something, but if depends how much you put in the pool. Now you see the price. So but for educational purpose only, I'm gonna put, for example, like this 0.11, and that's it. After now we create, everybody can buy our token. So just to tell you, here you can put 5, you can put 7, you can put 10, you can put how much you want. This is in liquidity, how much, and people can buy. Even if you put 5, people can buy, so no problem at all. Depends of you, but I recommended you can put to be more than $1,000 in Solana. But when I put 10 Solana, people buying like crazy. So I will put now 0.001, it's only 17. So we will see how it's going. And now when we click here, everybody can buy our token. So let's click here. And here we see 0.3. So this is the one. And here, and we're gonna create confirm. Create pool, confirm. We created the pool. So everybody can buy our token. Save this. You must save this somewhere. And we click on got it. So if we go now here to desk screener. We need one transaction. If someone buys, so one transaction is gonna show here. Does not show yet because we need to wait to Raydium create the pool. So, but let's go to desk, actually desk tool. If we click here, and we're gonna go here, we're gonna see our token here. Wow! Already started buying. Yeah, now we can see some bots. I don't know what is this. Let's check on desk screener. Let's go here and let's paste. Oh, so we already have some buying, but the pair has very little liquidity because we put only $17. So we have volume, and here we have mintable no, freezable no, which have this on the website. It's perfect, 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 perfect. So already start buying. Imagine that I put maybe even 10 Sol is gonna be much more. Wow, I don't know what is this. Some bots, snipers, buying, selling, trying to make money. So this is very good. So let's go now and to burn liquidity to get more trust, and this is actually what we need to do. Sol incinerator. We will go here and we're gonna connect our wallet. We're gonna go to Phantom and we're gonna click connect, and we're gonna click here, and we're gonna click actually here LP, and this is our LP token, and it's gonna show this is unknown, that right, this is our LP token that we have, and we need to burn. And we're gonna click here and we're gonna go confirm and confirm. So that's it. And then now if we go here will be locked liquidity. Okay guys, and now we can see here it's lock burn 100%. So work perfectly. The coin have some transactions, so 137% up with just we put just 17 worth of Sol. So imagine that we put more. So this is how you make the token. So I will put everything down below in description, and you can go to this website all, and you can create your also by yourself, just creating more and more tokens, because every time it's different. You don't know what to expect. Is gonna someone buy or not? Do on your marketing and everything is gonna be fine. Bots start buying. We have now pool at 64 and we put 17 in a pool, so working very well. And to tell you, this is actually crucial here to lock liquidity, because of investor. They can see that you lock your liquidity, and that's it. So this is how it is. Wow, we are almost 738% up. I didn't left nothing for me, any coins. I could left 10%. I don't know, but working so good. So this website, it's amazing. If you make tokens here and everything, you have this Revoke freeze, Revoke mint, and it's gonna work actually perfect. So that's it, and see you in the next video and some another meme coin.